Hello students, welcome to video lecture of English grammar. So today we are going to learn a very interesting and important topic of English grammar, and that is tense. Before I start explaining you about tense, I should let you know what are we going to learn today. First, I will explain you the introduction, then meaning, types, knowing time with the help of helping verb, and examples. So the word tense has come from a Latin word that is tempus, which means time. Then later it became to tense, that is TENS, and then later it became to tenses, TENSES, which also means time. Moving on to the meaning of tenses. Now, many of you will say that tense means the rules which tells us the time, but it is not exactly that. Tense means the rules which tell us how much the work is done and on what time it is done. The tenses are the rules of time plus work. Now let's see how many types of time and how many types of work are there. Moving on with time, we have three types of time. Past time, that is the time which is already gone. Present time, that is the time which is going on right now. And future time, that is the time which will come. And about work, first, continuous work, the work which is going on right now. Perfect, the work which is already done. Then only we can say that is perfect. Indefinite, that is the work which we do not know if it is done or not. Or we can say indefinite work includes the habits. And fourth, perfect continuous. That means the work has already been started but on a fixed time. Let's add time and work and see how many types of tenses do we get. First, in present tense, we can have indefinite, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. Same way, in past tense, we can have indefinite, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. In future as well, we can have indefinite, continuous, perfect, perfect continuous. So we have main three tenses, that is present tense, past tense, and future tense, and we have four subtypes of each three tense. So here you can see all the types of tenses, starting with present indefinite tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense, past indefinite tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense, future indefinite tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense, future perfect continuous tense. You can note down these in your copies. Now, let's understand how to know the time with the help of helping verb. I told you we have three main types of tense, that is past tense, present tense, and future tense. Now I will tell you the trick that how you can know if the sentence is of past tense, present tense, or future tense. I will tell you a nice story through which you can understand this very easily. Imagine your school has taken part in a competition where other school has also taken part. When you reach there, you see many students and you roam around. If your teacher wants to find you, how will she find you? How will she know that you are the student of RPS? So what we do, we make all the student of RPS wear red jacket. We make you wear red jacket, and other school we give them blue jackets to wear, and the next school we give them yellow jackets to wear. Now if your teacher wants to find you, she just has to see for the red jacket. Easy? Same thing we are going to do with these helping verbs. I will make them wear some jackets. So whenever in a sentence you see helping verbs like do, does, is, am, are, or has, have, then the sentence is of present tense. Whenever you see in a sentence the helping verbs like did, was, were, or had, then the sentence is of past tense. And whenever you see in a sentence the helping verbs like will, shall, or will, shall have, mostly you will have will, then the sentence is of future tense. Very easy, very clear. You just have to remember the helping verbs and you will know that which time the sentence belongs to. This table is very important for you. So you can pause the video and note down this table very quickly. Now we will learn this in a better way with some examples. First, she did not understand English. In this sentence, you can see the word did, and did belongs to past tense. So this is a past tense sentence. Next, do you play? The word do comes in present tense. So this sentence belongs to present tense. She will come to the concert. Here we can see the word will. That means it is a future tense sentence. We are sitting. Are comes in present tense. So this is a present tense sentence. I was not able to run. Here the word was comes in past. So it is a past tense sentence. I had done the work. We have here the word had, and had comes in past tense, so it is a past tense sentence. Last, Priyanka has not been learning her lessons. Here we have the word has, and that word belongs to present tense, so it is a present tense sentence. I hope you are clear with the concept of types of tenses and how to know if the sentence is in present tense, future tense, or past tense. After doing these examples and after watching this video lecture, the remaining I will teach you in next video lecture. Thank you.